It helps the proportion to stretch the car, to make the car sleek. Talking about the front end, I think very important is the inverted face, because we really have a strong symbol in the front. We have a single frame because this is a well-known symbol on our Audi cars, but we made the next step. We brightened it up with body color and we put it into a black mask which hides sensors, light functions, and this has the advantage that from 100 meters away you can clearly see it's an Audi, and in the same time you can see it's electric. For the first time we have splitted lights. The main functions are sitting in the black mask. Of course, this makes the car even more self-confident, and we have more space in this digital field. We have 5 rows of LEDs where the customer can configure his daytime running light signature. Talking about the rear end, Audis always have a slim cabin, but it's not just highly attractive, it's also very efficient, because when the cabin tapers to the rear, the car gets a better drag coefficient. We always have to find in design the balance between efficiency and aesthetics, and I think here we see again a quite good example for this. What is also very important, of course, for us, the light design. What you see here, lights with a light band, and then the modulation on top of the lights, how the muscle runs into the rear end. And this just shows our idea to make kind of a SUV brother of the e-tron GT.